Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for Black Box Record Club, which is right here. This box is super cute. I really like this box. So if you don't know what Black Box Record Club is, it is similar to another subscription service that I have mentioned on my channel before. It's a vinyl subscription service. You get 2 records a month for $34. So I think it's definitely worth it if you like surprises and if you really love records and music. This is a really good way to find new music or build up a collection. I should open it. I'm a little nervous. So when you sign up, you have to take a survey listing everything that you really love, genres that you love, things that you absolutely never want to see in a box, things like that. You also connect your Spotify so that they can look at what you've been listening to or what you do listen to, so they can hook you up with similar things. And also, while you're listing everything that you like in that little survey, there's a spot where you can list your Discogs account so that they can look through your account and see what you already have, and hopefully you don't get any duplicates of any records that you already have. Also, before I open my box, Black Box Record Club was kind enough to give me a promo code so that you can get 25% off of your first month, which, steal deal. Great news. I'll have that code listed down below for you, so sign up. So the first one in here, I've been wanting this. So the funny thing about this stuff is, like, I could go out and buy this. Like, I could. But it's like so much more exciting if someone just gets you and knows like you would want this, you know? Or no, like that makes no sense. Fall Out Boy's Save Rock and Roll record. I am so excited. I love Fall Out Boy, for those that don't know. Fancy. There's 2 discs with this one, pressed on red vinyl. That's so cool. They're smaller discs too. I'm so excited. All these songs get you like, maybe it's just me, but all these songs get you like amped up. Or is that just me? Like my song, So What You Did in the Dark, Hellllllo. The Phoenix, Where'd the Party Go, Just One Yesterday. I love all these songs. Alone Together, that's a good one too. And Patrick Stump just covered Ariana's song, No Tears Left to Cry. I almost cried. Second one is All Time Low's So Wrong It's Right. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so exciting. Yeah, this is great, y'all. This is really great. I think, honest to God, I think if you want to build up your collection, if you love music, if getting surprises in the mail is something you enjoy, I think you should sign up. I think you should. I think this is better than that other one. There's only one disc in here. Pressed standard black. And there's a card in here. I love this. Let's chat about your new records. Hey Taylor. Thanks so much for joining. I got you some great vinyl from some of the best groups in pop punk. Enjoy. Album number 1, So Wrong It's Right, All Time Low. All Time Low's second studio release featured the single Dear Maria Count Me In, which was their first song to place on Billboard's chart at number 86 on the Pop 100. Album number 2, Save Rock and Roll, Fall Out Boy. The band's triumphant 2013 album was their first release since taking a hiatus in 2009. It debuted at number 1 on the Billboard 200 and achieved triple platinum status. From Kyle, the owner. Well, thanks Kyle, and thank you for the fun facts. Honestly, this is great. It's like, okay, maybe in the future there could be something I don't know, right? But these are things that I've wanted, and the other one that I've mentioned before, you get a lot of records that maybe you don't know who they are, and they're just kind of like pushed on you, even if it has nothing to do with anything else that you listen to. That's just me. I'm just thinking out loud. Black Box Record Club. I can't wait to see what you give me next. Can you tap this? I don't know. This is great. Thank you. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna leave all of the promo info down below. Sign up for this. This is great. 25% off your first month. Couldn't be better. I just want to listen to a song. Do you want to listen to a song? I think you do. How can you not? How can you not?
are like a volcano.
Even if you don't listen to All Time Low, if you don't know this song. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see me unbox this every month, or if you have any input whatsoever, let me know down below. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I barely use Snapchat. You can follow me on Twitter. My handles and stuff will be down below. That'd be cool. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!